This video is to show you the contents of the base tracker kit. That is everything that's included in this roller Pelican case. So these are the tracking attachments that are, these ones are currently the ones used at Tinker Air Force Base, so we customized based on the 6 that were in their kit. And the foam is customized also based on whatever attachments you choose. If you have your own probes that you want to use, we have these universal attachments as well. So we have a large, small, medium, and large of these with set screws so that any diameter probe you have is compatible. And the main thing is we just want a way to attach this barcode that can be tracked. These panels are specially made to be weatherproof and very, very durable. They get scuffed up and they still are read pretty well. And here's an example of a scuffed up one. One of these panels that is included. These panels on the bottom actually have scotch removable stickies, and they're actually even washable. This one's been through the ringer and it's still working just fine. And so I'll leave it here for the demo. So those 4 panels, those kind of landmark panels, are included here in the case also. Here's the cabling that goes along with the camera mount. So this is the camera light, the quick release mount, the plate that it'll come off and get set right in here. And then there's the remote, so you can do manual inspections that way. There's also a battery, a spare battery for you if you need an extra hour or two. Here's all the power adapters. Here's the attachments if you want to get on the fuselage of the aircraft. There are suction cups. Put a little gel on the bottom of them and it will last, it'll stay on all day. There's a snake arm with another quick release mount at the end. And then finally there is a C-clamp that's included. If you are in a tight space, then you can use this as well. I think finally the last pieces here, these are the extra leapfrog markers. So if you want to extend your session and make it a little larger than what you already what you planned or what could be visible but seen by the camera, usually 5 by 5 feet is usually the largest that could be seen in one pass. Then there's leapfrog sets of markers so you can extend your session and patch it together. And then finally here are the Scotch sealed reusable tags. Usually they last forever, but you got them there. I think lastly I can just highlight a few of the other attachments you've already custom made for the Bondmaster. These are for their pitch catch probes. So this one kind of looks like the probe itself is kind of coffin shaped and this will go over it. Here's another one where it's kind of a curved back and this attachment will go under the probe, and they all have set screws just to make sure they fit snugly. And then finally the Sonopen. The Sonopen has 3 different versions. Straight shaft, so these 2 are different for the straight shafts, different offsets for comfort for your fingers. And then there's a 45-degree Sonopen version and then the 90-degree Sonopen version. Any kind of probe that you have, we can accommodate. The attachments are not the hard part. Now also, another question we get is, well, what if I don't use the 650? What if I have other devices? The answer is you just send us the unit for a week or 2 and we will get the interface. We will write the interface with the software. As long as there's a USB port, then we can communicate and get those numbers off the device.